Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to add and edit sections in Getresponse landing page editor. Please note that this video is one of a series of Getresponse landing page tutorial videos. To see the whole series and how to create a landing page for free in Getresponse, make sure to check the playlist in the description below, along with a link to sign up for a free forever Getresponse account. And now, let's get started. Most landing page templates in Getresponse are made up of multiple sections. You can simply edit these sections or add new ones as you wish. First, let's open the landing page editor to edit the landing page we created in the last video in Getresponse. We can do so by simply clicking the landing page name or by hovering on these three dots and then clicking Edit Page. Okay, now inside the landing page editor in Getresponse, we can see the toolbar with all the available elements to customize our landing page. In this video, we'll talk about the sections element and the different options to add and edit them. To add a new section to the landing page, simply drag the section icon from the toolbar and into the area you want. Whenever you drag a section into the workspace, you can see a highlighter that gives an indication on where this section will be added exactly between other sections. This highlight is also activated when you add any other element into a section. To move a section up or down, there are two simple ways, either by clicking the move controls that appear whenever you click on a free space inside the section, or by clicking a free space inside the section and dragging it up or down. To change the height of a section, click on that section and just click and drag the small indicator at the bottom of the section up or down. Next, if you want to duplicate the section, click on an empty space inside the section. Then click the plus icon that appears at the top right corner of your selected section. Now a duplicated section will be added below this one. A very helpful option to make it easier for your visitors to go straight to a certain part of your landing page without much scrolling is to link between sections. You can double click on a certain element in the landing page. Choose the link option. From here, choose section. Now, you'll see all the sections inside the landing page sorted by a numbered order from top to bottom. Find the section you want your visitor to be taken to whenever they click this element, and then click OK. To preview how this linking will work after publishing the landing page, simply click Preview and click on that element once again. If you want to change the background of any section, double-click any free space inside that section. A new pop-up window will open. From here, there are three main options to add a background to that section. Either use a solid color, a gradient of two colors, or add a custom image. If you choose to add a custom image as a section background, you can simply upload any image from your computer by clicking Add Files, then click Select a file from your computer. Or use an image from the free Getresponse image gallery. Or you can access over 2 million images from the Shutterstock gallery directly from Getresponse. And finally, to delete any section, click on any free space inside the section and just click the delete icon that appears right here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And make sure to check the sign up link in the description below to get a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all premium features of Getresponse. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in the comments below and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlist with the link in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use all Getresponse features. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.